biggest problem of living in a luxurious lifestyle is that they don't want to die, right? It is from the it's from the mu'jizat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a miracle, literally. And I know I cannot go back to 16 years of age, but what I can definitely do, I can go for Hajj.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك.
And those who do not have wealth, some people are living luxurious lifestyles, I think they are the people who are not thinking about it the most. I think so. That is one of the problems of living a luxurious lifestyle. That we don't want to die, right? Because this is our Jannah. I eat every day. I sleep on a very comfy bed, right? I have people around me serving me all the time. I eat the best of the best. Everything is fine. Everything is amazing. And when the angel of death will come, they will say, sorry, I'm already living in Jannah. Why should I be going there for in another Jannah? This is my Jannah. The biggest problem of living in a luxurious lifestyle is that they don't want to die. Hajj, the same problem. How can I go for Hajj? Oh my God, I'll have to live in a tent with another 20 people with me. Oh my God, some will be sleeping like this. People are literally sleeping next to each other, isn't it? Some people will be stinking, they're sweating, the bathrooms, oh my God, I don't want to talk about that. Right? Arafat. I was with a Hajj company the other day, and they said, you know what? A CEO came with their Hajj group, and they went for Arafat, and he asked them literally, he said, I need to relieve myself, where should I go? And in other words, you are the Hajj company, you took like X amount of riyals from me, it's a 5-star luxury package, where should I go to relieve myself? So this is what it is. What can we do? These people, of course, that's what they're thinking. But my friends, if you are a Muslim, this is a call from Allah. Come to Hajj for me. وَلِلَّهِ عَلَى النَّاسِ حِجُّ الْبَيْتِ. It's for the sake of Allah. وَأَتِمُّ الْحَجَّ وَالْعُمْرَةَ لِلَّهِ. Allah Ta'ala says, do complete Hajj and Umrah for the sake of Allah. Do it for Him. Do it. It's an order of Allah Ta'ala. It's a pillar of Islam. It is a must. It is not a choice. Right? Whatever. Again, as I said, I've been saying all of this, what I've said, which is not my normal self. I generally give targheeb. I generally, tell the virtues about things. But I started with this because, as I said, that people are not going. Ideally, my friends, we should be in love with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We should go for His sake. We should have that talab to go for His sake. We should have that desire to go there. Right? It's an amazing place. It gives you a spiritual boost. Right? It is from the it's from the mu'jizat of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's a miracle, literally. Right? 3-4 million people at one place at the same time, right? Without any major incident happening, even a small incident happening. It has happened like once or twice or thrice in the history, of course, a few times. But generally speaking, nothing happening, nothing major happening. Such a smooth process, right? Subhanallah, this is the house of Allah. And if you look from the top, there are like millions of people doing tawaf of it, amazing. We small little people, doing tawaf of this house, or everybody going for Arafat, everybody coming to Mina, all of the people, they're throwing their stones at that pillar, expressing their hatred for shaitan, etc. It's an amazing, amazing phenomena. It's literally a miracle. So many people doing the same acts in a few days, in 4 or 5 days. Amazing. Right? We should be doing it for the sake of Allah, out of the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right? Please, We are going to go back to Allah, and whoever goes to that call from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah ta'ala says, I love you and I forgive you all of your wrongs that you have done in your life. If it's an accepted Hajj, Allah ta'ala says that you will go back to your hometowns in a state as if your mother has just given birth to you. A fresh start, absolutely fresh start from zero. And all the good deeds that you have done, they are there, they're accepted. All the wrongs that you have done, they are gone. A clean slate, a fresh start to your life. What an amazing opportunity, isn't it? You know, we might have done a lot of bad. We all have done bad in our lives. If we get a fresh start, honestly, sometimes I think, I wish I've become 16 again, so I can start again. And I know I cannot go back to 16 years of age. But what I can definitely do, I can go for Hajj and I can start from the scratch. Right? That's something that I can definitely do. And we should all do that, my friends, please. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us that tawfiq to think about Hajj and then plan for Hajj and then go for Hajj.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك